Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I'd like to talk to you about our line of adjustable wrenches. These wrenches are all made from high-grade steel and heat treated for maximum strength and durability. These wrenches comply to ASME B107.8-2003 standards and feature the following: precision machined and knurled worm gear for smooth movement and comfort and convenience when rotating the gear. They feature laser etched inch scale in the front, metric scale in the back. Cushion gripped handles for added comfort, and the handle itself is wider than normal for providing a better grip. The jaws on the wrenches open extra wide, meaning they open wider than typical adjustable wrenches. Let me tell you about each one and the size that they open to. The AW4 opens to 13 millimeters or 0.51 inches. The AW6 opens to 24 millimeters or 15/16 of an inch. The AW8 opens to 29 millimeters or 1 1/8 inches. The AW10 opens to 33 millimeters or 1 5/16 inches. The AW12 opens to 38 millimeters or 1 1/2 inches. AW15 opens to 43 millimeters or 1.69 inches. And the AW18 opens to 53 millimeters or 2.08 inches. We have a kit, the AW-6810, which consists of 3 adjustable wrenches, the AW6, AW8, and AW10. One last thing, all the wrenches have a convenient hanging hole in the back of them for easy storage. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.